Welcome back to Tashkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, where here on the daily chart you can see that we have continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing our prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I have minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios and also my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that had been obeying the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that I'm terming that as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2 before we started this bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.0808 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 3, we started this corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, which fully maximized our target areas in the formation of that fourth wave. And after seeing the formation of that wave 4, whatever we expect here on the short-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave to the upside. And in the formation of that wave 5, we also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 5, and there are chances that we might continue pushing a little bit higher in the formation of that wave 5 to give us one more peak in the formation of that wave 5. And the reason as to why I'm saying that is because within the formation of that wave 5, where we also expect to see a 5-wave structure, whatever we are seeing over here is a 3-wave structure to the upside, where we can term these as the first wave to the upside. Then we have seen that corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, then a wave 3 giving us a peak at around the $0.0989 mark. Then we have seen the formation of that wave 4 giving us a low at around the $0.0789 mark, and I'm expecting one more high in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 5 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of these wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618 as a minimum target area, and that is at around the $0.1087 mark. So there are chances that in case we are able to get above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, once more have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher, see a break above the wave 3 high, and that is at around the $0.0987 mark, then that will be enough confirmation that that move to the upside could be giving us one more high in the formation of that wave 5, and also fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 5. And note that the fib level 0.618 is just a minimum target area. There are chances of managing to break above other key areas on the Fibonacci's, and also fully maximize the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.125 mark. And once you see the formation of that wave 5 of this Elliott wave structure right here in red, then that will be completing the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 5 right here in yellow, and also complete the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 1 to the upside after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. So for that one more high to play out, we need to continue holding above the dollar mark, which is a significant high. Also managed to get above the 20-day MA and also managed to break above the wave 3 high at around the $0.0997 mark for us to fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 5. And also remember in my previous videos that I had said to you that we might have seen the high for this larger Elliot wave count 5 over here at around the $0.0997 mark in that high that we made right there, and that is after fully maximizing areas on the Fibonacci's, that is the Fib level 1.618, using the Fibonacci's by connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the high of that larger Elliot wave count 3, and that gave me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5, which we fully maximized. And I had said to you in my previous videos that there are chances that we might have seen the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, and this corrective structure that was playing out over here could be the start of a corrective structure in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And for us to fully invalidate this move of having seen the high for that larger Elliot wave count 1, we need to break above the 20-day MA and also see a break above the high that we made at around the $0.0997 mark and continue pushing even higher. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. Also taking a look at the market, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that means there are chances of seeing a short-term bearish movement over here. And in case such a move plays out, continue watching the significant high at around the $0.0808 mark, because in case we lose that key area of support, then whatever will be playing out over here could be much of an ABC corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.